Right, so I've got this fabulous glitter. Look at the colour shifting in that. And it's called Dragon Scales, so what better to put it in than a dragon? So here we are. We've got a serpent dragon. Hope you like the mould. I'm now just trying to get into the packet with my gloves on, which might not be the easiest of tasks. No, it isn't, is the answer to that one. I've got some resin mixed up ready, and I'm just going to tip it in. Now this glitter is from Jam Pot Glitter. I'll put you the link for them below. And I'm just going to chuck in a hell of a lot of this glitter. I'm going to be on the phone to them for another load of this. Now it'll be interesting to see how this behaves, because a lot of glitters do change colour somewhat when you put them in resin. Ooh. Yeah, this is interesting. Now I fully expect this to sink. I'm using a resin that's a low viscosity. It's a deep pour one from Arc. Again, I'll put you the link for that below as well, and the mould. And the reason I'm using that is I actually do want the glitter to sink. I want it to go to the outer sides and the top surface of the little dragon. So this isn't going to be a very scientific or overly clever video. I just wanted to chuck this in and see what happened. Now this little mould doesn't take anywhere near as much as I thought it would, so I've got a load left. Look at all that lot. So I'm going to make, what shall I make? I know, let's do a frog. Hang on, it's alright, I've got a frog mould handy. I took a mould off my little green frog that appears in some of my videos. Let's fill that up. Let's have a purple glittery frog, why not? Oh goodness, I've still got some left. Okay, jewellery moulds. This is what happens when you mix too much. Let's go across all of these. And you guessed it, I've got you zoomed right in because my entire workspace is a nightmare at the moment. It's absolutely covered in projects and I still need a drying space, so I can push things to one side properly, and I haven't got one and I haven't got anywhere to put one either. So we are zoomed in, but at least that means you can see the prettiness up close. Okay, this is far from cured. I said I'd be back for the demold. Clearly this is just after I've just poured it, but I've just walked out of the room and back in, and I wanted to show you this because this struck me as I walked in. Look at the colour change in that. You can probably see it clearer in the necklace, in the little pendants. So look, we've got this deep purpley, beautiful purpley colour with bits of gold in it, and then you get down to here and it's gone green. That, I have to say, is one of the best colour flippy things I've ever seen in a glitter. Now we can't really see it on the little frog yet because it's all sunk as I expected it to. Just going to give the surfaces a spray. There we go. And you can't really see it on the dragon. Well, I don't know, to a degree you can, because it has sunk as I expected. But look at that. That is amazing. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. We'll be back for the demold. Okay, who wants a frog demold? What do I do? Sorry. Oh dear. Yeah, I've been on the pop again. Right, here we go. I just chucked a load of glitter in this. I knew it would sink. It was in deep pour resin, which is very liquidy, so I knew it would sink. And oh look, it's all down his back, isn't it lovely? Now of course it's a satin finish because the frog I took the mould off is also a satin finish. If I want him shinier, I could coat it. Someone recently posted about never using nail varnish on resin, which to me was a complete load of tosh. I don't know where that came from. I've actually used ordinary nail varnish as well. I don't know whether I'd recommend that, but I haven't had issues with it. But really, you're going to get a better finish with UV anyway, because it's a similar sort of stuff to the resin that you've been working with. Oh, isn't he pretty? Oh, Oh dear. So this is going to end up being a whole frog series, this with videos. You know what, I am going to do him all over. I kind of want him shiny. At some point I'm going to make a shiny frog mould. So all you do, if you've got a dull mould, because your original was dull, that's what's happened here, is if you make sure you have created a shiny original, then make another mould. Trouble is, I'm going to get this all over my hands. I really should put some gloves on. I wasn't intending to go ahead and do this. You could, of course, coat the whole thing. You could dip him even in UV resin. I just find this easier. And I was going to say less messy. I'm not entirely sure. Time will tell. I have to say, that glitter. I think I've got a new favourite glitter. Can't have too many glitters, can you? Here we go. Cure him up. This is my little clip-on lamp. The other frog looks happy, doesn't he? This is the original Kermit. Does he still squeak? Oh, he stopped squeaking. He's a squeezy plastic squeaky one, normally. At least he was. Right, I'm going to get this one cured up, take some photos and add him to the frog collection. Well folks, you've just seen the video. It's not very often I say something's a game changer, but for me, this glitter actually is. I've never seen colour shift as dramatic as that in a glitter. That is incredible. And you see, look, frog finished. Got to put his eyes in and things like that soon. But look at that. Obviously it sank, that's what I wanted it to do. But it's pretty underneath too. But that, look, because it sank, I've got this lovely back to him. Now obviously I could wait till the resin was thicker, or there's loads of different things you can do to avoid your glitter sinking, but I actually wanted it to, and I think that effect is amazing. And in that mould, the way it's lay, so the glitter's all gone down his back, I think it's brilliant. But yeah, I'm absolutely startled by how fabulous this is. Now this dragon came out satin finish. Just wanted to show, before I varnish it, just wanted to show you how nice that is in its own right. So now, do I varnish it or don't I? I mean, look at the difference. That's your shine and that's your satin. I might leave him satin, just put his details in. Yeah, then I've got some of each, haven't I? Anyway, oh, I'll stop being all silly and excited now. I haven't tried all the rest of their glitters. This is, as I said, from Jam Pot Glitter Co. And I am so going to be buying a whopping big, I've already emailed them, a whopping big tub of this one, because I've never, genuinely, I've never seen a glitter do that. I have got, as you know, quite a collection of stunning glitters. This is something different. So I'm now going to need to wade my way through and try all their other ones, don't I? Oh dear, woe is me, what a hardship. Right, if you've liked this little video, I never thought I'd be doing a video just on a bag of glitter. But if you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you for the next video. Bye everyone. Bye bye.